This is a quick clip from our neon green and purple hair color. We used the Danger Jones semi-permanent hair color. Now we finished with our Nourishing Lipid Serum. It's organic, it's lightweight, easily absorbed, non-greasy. But back to this hair. We gave her a money piece, or what I call a makeup piece. We go deeper into this in the full video. We detail the placement of the foils. That's going to give you the direction to create your own money piece, or as I call it, the makeup piece. And I explain it in detail in the full video. We're working on the editing of that now. This hair color was so amazing. We had to create this clip and get it out there. To maintain this vibrant hair color, I'm going to use the B3 hair color products, sulfate-free and silicone-free. Wait, you're out the sun now. Come back, son. Come back. Okay, now turn around. Keep turning. I'm only getting the hair part. Keep turning. Now I'm going to do this way. Okay, keep turning. This is fucking amazing. Keep turning. Keep turning. Keep turning. It's neon.
It's neon.
It's neon. It's the Grinch.
It's the Grinch.
It's the Grinch. The Grinch. It's the Grinch. I love what I do. Give us a thumbs up, click the subscribe button so you can be, and click the bell so you can be the first to know when the full video is released, because this neon green and purple hair color is everything.